What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the 5.0 build for the Fox, and I got a package. Yeah, more parts for the 5.0. Let's open it up and see what we got. At this point, I would really love LMR to sponsor me. Spent so much in the past few months. All right, let me go get a knife and we'll open this up. Here's the heater tube. There's some screws, some hose clamps, more stuff here. Hoses for the heater tube. Now let's open this up. Not very easy doing this with one hand. Yep. New valve covers. Let me pick back up with you guys when I take it out of packaging. These look pretty nice. Solid aluminum construction. They'll look really good once installed. I'll pick back up with you guys once it's on. Okay, so valve covers are on. Spark plug wires are also installed. These are Ford Racing 9mm wires using these billet specialty spark plug wire holders. As you can see, it's coming together pretty nice. Spark plug wires are organized. Had to tie it up here so we're not touching with the heater tube that I installed. But I'm really happy with the fitment and look of these LMR SVE valve covers. Last video you guys didn't see this, but I also painted the intake manifold with a Seymour aluminum paint. Block was painted with VHT Ford Blue. What else am I missing? AccuFab 70mm throttle body. Remember, there's gonna be a street car, it's not gonna be a race car, so this is basically just to wake it up. Have a Ford Racing headers, spark plug wire fitment, and the boot. It's pretty good. Can't ask for any more. So pretty much I have the power steering pump. I have to pull the pulley out off of the old one to get the new one installed. Air compressor for the AC system isn't in yet, because I'll get to that. I'm gonna get the whole kit with the wiring, not with the wiring, with the hoses and all that. Alternator's also gonna come in soon. What else do we have? I think that's about it for the engine. I also have the Holley wiring kit, which we'll get into that once we start installing this into the car. Hopefully I'll have some news for you about the car in the next video, what the status is. Still in the body shop. Hopefully we're gonna get that back soon so we can start putting everything together. Everything, you know, engine wise and wiring. Still have to get the interior pieces painted, but other than that, I think we're pretty much good to go. Like, we can start assembling as soon as the car gets back. Wheels, I have something in mind. Let's see if that works out, since we're gonna be running a bigger brake kit up front. And that's pretty much what I have for you guys now. So if you've been following along through this whole journey, I appreciate it. Thank you for making it this far into the video, this far into the build. And please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Helps me out, helps me grow this channel, helps the YouTube algorithm so more people can discover these videos and I can do more cool projects like this. I really enjoy doing this and I appreciate each and every one of you. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.